Hello everyone, welcome to Guangzhou Easy Control Intelligent. For over 13 years, we focus on smart lighting control systems. We are a factory that does our own research, makes products and sells them. We are proud to be a national high-tech enterprise. Over the years, we've given many customers our Easy Control brand smart lighting solution. We also offer flexible OEM ODM services. Until now, we've made products for many big companies, even two from the global top 500. Customers at home and abroad trust us. Now, let's take a quick look at our factory. This is our high-temperature aging room. After smart lighting modules are assembled, we test them here with high temperature. This makes sure each product works well in real life. Here are automated agent test racks. We test smart gateway and modules here for 24 to 48 hours with computer programs. This finds and fixes problems. We also use load testing boxes to check if lighting modules work well with different lights. Our production line is clean, fast, and follows strict rules. Products like smart switch module, dimming module, gateway controller, key panels, and touchscreen are all made, programmed, and packed here. For research, we do it ourselves. We have many patents for inventions, useful designs, and looks. With these, we offer full OEM ODM services, from making custom products to provide labels. And this big office is where our sales and support teams work.
Talking about our sales results, in the past 13 years, we've done really well in the smart lighting area. We finished more than 1,000 big projects in China and other countries. There are famous examples like the Crown Plaza Hotel in Nepal, the China Ceramics Museum, the Tiananmen Square project in Beijing, China Education Television in Beijing, and the showroom of Tianjin Zhongang Helicopter Co., Limited.
If you have business needs like this, just contact us anytime. We hope to work with you and explore the big market of smart lighting together.